Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dami. Today's class we're looking on how to draft the basic sleeve block. If today is the first time on this channel, you're welcome once again. You can tap on the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's get started. Sleeve is a part of a clothing item, whether a dress, blouse, jacket, or sweater that covers the arm. And it comes in varieties of length. It could be short, it could be mid-length, it could be long. This brings us to the different kind of sleeve. We have the regular sleeve, that's like the shirt sleeve, the ragline sleeve. I had to take some pictures so that you can at least have an idea of what I'm saying from sewguide.com. The cap sleeve, the raglan sleeve, the long, the bell sleeve, the puff sleeve, and so much more. So from the basic sleeve pattern, you can make different sleeves pattern. The measurement you'll be using is the sleeve length, the cap height, and the round sleeve. How to calculate the cap height? The cap height is for those that don't know, is actually that's your bicep region, like just a little or below the shoulder. Then they have a standard measurement. The standard measurement to calculate it is the bust circumference. That's your bust. It could be probably your bust could be 32 inches or 36 inches, but the one I'm using here is 36 inches. So your bust circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5, that's plus half an inch. So once you calculate your bust divided by 12, my bust here is 36 divided by 12 will give me 3 plus 0.5, that's plus half inch. I have 3.5. So the 3.5 is the cap sleeve. I'm just going to measure the whole thing. So we have the starting point here. The sleeve length I'll be using is 15 inches. Initially thought I was going to go with 22, but I do not have enough. The paper was not enough. So now the first things first, we are going to be folding the paper into two pieces. It's folded into two. Then you mark your starting point. The sleeve length I'll be using is 15 inches. The cap height 3.5, just like the way we calculated. Then the round sleeve is 10. Well, the round sleeve, you'll be dividing the round sleeve by 2. It depends on how you want it. You could make it tight. You could make it a little bit, big. But the one I'll be using is, for the round sleeve is 10. So I'm just going to take in my 3.5, which is the cap sleeve, or the cap height measurement. Cap sleeve is the bust divided by 0.5, half an inch. The bust I'm working with is 36 divided by 12 plus half inch will give me 3.5. That's a cap sleeve. So you're just going to take the armhole measurements. The armhole measurement is 7.5. How do we get the 7.5? Is the bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. Going back to our basic bodies, the measurement we took was 36 for the bust here. So we divided it by 6 plus 1.5. That's the standard measurement. So I'm just going to take my 7.5 and connect it to the top. After that, you find the midpoint. That's from the top to the cap height. The midpoint is 3.7. then you come up by 1/2 inch, then connect, just come up like that, then connect the lines together. Just come up and connect the lines together. Remember, in our basic bodies, the front armhole and the back armhole, they are not equal. The front armhole goes in deeper than that of the back. So it's the same thing we are going to achieve for the sleeve. Remember I said, when I started, I said the paper was folded into two. So one part for the front, one part for the back. So for the back, we are coming out by 1/2 inch. Then for the front, we are coming in. You get the midpoint of that one too. That's 2 inches. Then you come out by 0.5. That's for the front now. We are drafting the front. Connect from the top down to the midpoint, down to the cap height. Just connect it like that. Then if you can also use a curve. If you have a curve, you can also use a curve or use freehand. I use freehand for mine. So calculate the sleeve height. Sorry, the sleeve length. The sleeve length you are working with is 15 inches. Then the round sleeve is 10. Divided by 2 will give us 5. So just connect it. Yes, and so this is our basic sleeve pattern. With this sleeve pattern, you can adapt it to make different kind of sleeves. So here I have the front and the back. It still has to be folded into two. So I have the back. What I did was to first of all trim out the back. You know the back sleeve, I said it that it comes out, then the front goes inside. So this is the basic sleeve pattern, and if today is your first time, you can tap on the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.